Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how you can easily fix that Wi-Fi is disconnecting frequently on your INFINIX Hot 60i. Actually, this is a very common issue on INFINIX devices. The first thing that I do recommend doing is to go straight into the settings and Wi-Fi. Enable it, and here, as you can see, if you do have any Wi-Fi networks available and saved on your device, you have to tap on this network, tap forget, and now your Wi-Fi network is forgotten. You can tap on the same Wi-Fi network or different, if you do have different Wi-Fi network in your home, and enter the password to this same network back again. This should just refresh the connection, get yourself a new IP, etc, etc. Apart from that, if it still doesn't work for you, we have to tap more settings. Here, as you can see, we have Wi-Fi Direct. Here, if you do see any other devices, delete them. Apart from that, you can go back, Network Assistant. Here, disable turn on Wi-Fi automatically, tap Auto Select to the network, disable all these options, and disable here unselect mobile data. This should be all. If your Wi-Fi still doesn't work, you have to just check if some other Wi-Fi network in some other place work. If it still doesn't, you have to contact device support because your device may be just broken. And goodbye!